Now, battered husbands can now seek refuge at the Nyeri Provincial General Hospital following the launch of a gender violence recovery center at the hospital. It has emerged that many men who are victims of domestic violence do not seek help when they need to and continue to suffer in silence emotionally and physically. The recovery center is open to women as well. Nyeri has that story.
Very few men come out in the open to report cases of gender violence meted on them, in spite of this happening to men too.
Kufungua macho nikaona tu ni panga inanikata. Nikamuuliza unataka kuniua?
Vile alinipidua nikajikuta tu niko chini na nimevunjika mguu.
Mimi niliamshwa na tu akaniambia mama ndio amefanya hiyo kazi na ametoka nje. Sasa mtoto tu alikuwa analia.
As evidenced by the cases that have been highlighted by the media, Charles Gidenji, the Cabinet Secretary for Health in Nyeri County, expressed regret that there were many cases of gender-based violence, but most of these cases usually go unreported.
Violence in Nyeri, gender-based violence, it is true it's there, but it's not unique to Nyeri alone. It is everywhere else in Kenya. It's only that probably the reporting is not in time, if not on time.
Speaking during the launch of a gender-based violence recovery center at the Nyeri Provincial General Hospital, it was noted that although Nyeri County has been in the public limelight for gender-based violence against men, most of the victims shy away for fear of ridicule. However, they cautioned against stereotyping Nyeri as a center for husband battering, as this is happening in other parts of the country as well.
This is a national issue. It is not only to say that men are the only ones who are battered. It is only that this is the regional referral center, and we are mandated by the Ministry of Health to spearhead the services in this region. So it has nothing to do with what is reported of men being battered around the region. It is a center that is going to cover everybody.
The Rescue Center is a project undertaken jointly with the Liverpool Voluntary Counseling Testing Center.
In the last 3 months, we've seen about almost 300 cases, and that for us was a sign that it's a high volume problem and we need to tackle it. And the more we talk about it, the more we see cases coming, and especially coming early.
Similar centers have also been established in Nakuru and Kisumu counties. Men who are victims of gender-based violence now can seek refuge here at the recovery center at the Nyeri Provincial General Hospital, and they need not fear coming out in the open to seek help, as it is now within reach. Nyeri for KTN in Nyeri.